Hello everyone. At first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all of you. How are you doing? Hope you all are doing well. Thank you for giving me the chance to introduce about myself. It's me, Abdullah Al Murad, but my friends and family members call me Murad, so you can call me Murad. Basically, I belong to Rajshahi, Durgapur to be more exact. But currently, I'm living at Mohammadpur in Dhaka for study purpose. Already I have spent 25 winter in my beautiful life. Already I have completed my bachelor degree from National University, Department of History. But now I'm taking IELTS preparation in English fantasy. Actually I'm a sports lover. That's why I love to playing cricket. And also I'm interested in reading books because it makes me self-motivated. In my free time, I love to spend it with my family. If I get a long vacation, I like to go travel with my friends because I can share everything with them. I dislike smoking, wasting money, wasting time, backbiting. Now I would like to say something about my future plan. My future plan is to go to abroad for higher study, and my next goal to get a IELTS good score. Thank you so much for your nice attention, sir. Assalamu alaikum.